show you in this video is I replaced the canister vent valve solenoid, and why I replaced this is error 442 came back, and I also got at times I got a 445 error. The 445 would clear it, but the 445 points to this. Also, when I ran the Ford Rotunda Diagnosis, it also recommended, originally it said the purge valve, now it said the vent valve. So I'm going to show how to replace that. When you lower the tire, if you've never done that, you basically, it's the largest gap. You'll put it in the hole there. When it grabs, and you'll just use the tie rod like a handle, and you'll lower it. So the replacement part on the vent canister vent valve is 911217.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.